If you're looking to create custom filters for your prospect list on Apollo.io, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a quick and easy way, so you can start targeting the right leads more effectively. Whether you're a digital marketer, sales rep, or business owner, customizing filters on Apollo.io is a game changer for your outreach efforts. Apollo.io is a powerful sales and prospecting tool that helps you find and reach out to high-quality prospects. One of the best features of the platform is the ability to create custom filters, allowing you to narrow down your search results to the most relevant leads. But how do you make the most of this feature? Let me walk you through it. First, log into your Apollo.io account and head over to the Prospects tab. You'll see a search bar at the top, which you can use to start filtering your leads. But the real power comes from the Advanced Search feature, where you can apply specific filters to narrow down your list even further. Apollo.io offers a wide range of filter options, such as industry, company size, location, job title, and more. To get started, click on the Advanced Search button. From here, you'll be able to select multiple criteria that matter most for your prospecting efforts. For instance, if you're targeting tech companies, you can filter by industry and select software or information technology. You can also filter by company size, making it easier to focus on businesses that fit your target profile. Another great filter to use is the title filter. You can use this to find decision makers or specific roles like CEOs, marketing directors, or sales managers. This is especially helpful if you're looking to reach out to individuals who are in charge of making key decisions for the company. But it doesn't stop there. Apollo.io also lets you filter by things like revenue, funding stage, employee count, and even tech stack. This is particularly useful if you're looking for companies that might benefit from your product or service. For example, if you're offering a software tool, you can filter for companies that are already using certain technologies or platforms. Once you've set up your filters, click the Apply button, and you'll instantly see a list of prospects that match your criteria. From here, you can export the list, save it for later, or even begin reaching out directly through Apollo's built-in email outreach tool. And here's the cool part. You can save your custom filters for future use. So if you ever want to run the same search again, you won't have to re-enter all the details. Just click on Saved Filters, and you'll have instant access to all your previous searches. Now, if you're new to Apollo.io, you might be wondering how to get started. The great news is you can use the software for free with our exclusive offer. Check out the first link in the description below for access to this special deal. I highly recommend you take advantage of this and dive into Apollo.io's prospecting features. It's a powerful tool that can take your outreach game to the next level. In summary, creating custom filters for your prospect list on Apollo.io is easy, and it's one of the best ways to target the right people for your business. Whether you want to find leads based on industry, job title, company size, or even specific technologies, Apollo.io's filter options have you covered. Remember, if you want to take Apollo.io for a spin, make sure to grab your extended free trial from the link below. You'll get full access to everything Apollo.io has to offer, and that means even more opportunities to grow your business. So, don't miss out. Start using Apollo.io today.